Let's create a drag and drop Klaviyo template for sending an NPS invitation via Klaviyo campaigns. So let's go to Klaviyo, Content Templates, and create a new template. Let's choose from one of the templates that we have in here. Let's go with something simple that we can edit. I'm going to choose this one. For sure, you already have a base template, so just go with that one. So I want to work on this. So I'm going to use this template. And I'm going to leave this nice image in here. I'm going to remove this part. So I'm just going to delete this. What I want to add is a text where I'm going to ask this NPS question on a scale of 0 to 10. On a scale of 0 to 10, how likely are you to recommend our products to your friends or family? Okay, and I'm done with this. Next up, I'm gonna add my score buttons. So I'm gonna choose the header link bar. I'm gonna drag it in here. And I don't want to have my logo image. Remove this. Because I want to link some buttons only. Great. Going to link 1, this is where we're gonna need the Omniconvert tutorial. This is where we're gonna use the Omniconvert article for Klaviyo drag and drop template for NPS via Klaviyo campaigns. And we're at this part where we need to paste the codes for the URL for each button. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna select this piece of code. And going back into our editor, we're gonna do like this. For the first link, the first button is for score 0. And the link address is this. At the end, I want it to go to 0. So after I'm pasting this for each button, I'm gonna have to make sure the text that is displayed on the button is the same with the text that I'm gonna add in here with the number. And I'm gonna do this background and I'm gonna go to link 2. Now this is score 1. I'm gonna paste the same and I'm gonna type 1 in here. I'm gonna add another one and this is gonna be score 2 and I'm gonna type 2 in here. Great. I'm sure you got the drill by now, so we're gonna do this faster. And that's it. We have all the NPS scores in here. Once a customer will click on any of these scores, they will be redirected on your web page selected in your Omniconvert Reveal NPS settings, and the survey that will be displayed will already have this selection on it. You can then add anything else that you'd like, any other text. You can edit this template any way you please. What's very, very important is to always have this series of buttons that are the NPS scores that your customers will click with the appropriate code on the URL buttons. Happy feedback collecting!